Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am off work and I'm about to go home right quick and go catch up with the gas company. So I'm supposed to be getting my gas installed today, and they talking about they lost the invoice. So I don't know what I'm finna do. Them talking about they lost the invoice, but we finna go ahead to the house and I'll see you guys when I get there. This is my last day on the parking lot at where I work. But anyway, this is the last day on the parking lot. I will not be coming over here anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna relish the moment. And I'm done. Go. Alexa, what time is it? 5:36 a.m. on Saturday, November 4th. November 4th? November 5th. Alexa, what's today's date?
Today is Saturday, November 5th.
Okay, Saturday, November 5th. I'm on my way to St. Louis. My mother passed away, so not sure how I'm feeling right now. Like, I'm okay right now. Doesn't mean when I finally get to St. Louis, I'm not gonna have a moment, a breakdown moment. So I don't know. I've been in the kitchen waiting on Walter. This is actually gonna. These are actually gonna be my signature little headscarf or whatever. I like them. These are my signature little headpieces. Yeah. So I got my hair in a pony in the back of this, but Anyway, I don't like this one as much as I like that one that I wear a lot on the channel. I just decided that I wanted to wear another color, and I ended up getting this blue one. It's okay. Not a big fan of the blue one. The other one, I don't know, they're cute. I like the other one. I think the other one is a lot bigger for some strange reason. I think the other one is a lot, and I don't know if it's because I wore it a lot. I don't know. It just seems a little bit more looser, like not looser when it comes to like on my head. It flops around a lot more than this one. But anyway, and I have one more. I think I'm gonna go to the beauty supply and grab a few more when I get back to Little Rock. So yeah. I'm just waiting on Walter. I'm in here in the kitchen with my little outfit. I guess I can call, since I'm going to St. Louis, I'll call a few people when I wake up, or when they wake up. So yeah. Want to say hi to the channel, Walter?
Hello.
Wait a minute. Walter's grabbing grandmother's thing. We gotta take grandmother. We gotta take grandmother with us. What car are you taking?
Mine.
Okay. Is that car gonna be okay on the charger while we're going? Or do I need to take it off the charger? You think I need to take it off the charger? Or leave it on the charger and just tell Demetri to come over and take it off the charger? Just have her come over and take the car off the charger.
Want me for the charge to Sunday morning?
Okay, well I'll tell her if she could just come by on Sunday.
Yeah, automatically shut off itself anyway.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I just didn't want it to be still on the charge like batteries on your cell phone. Is it still raining?
We just stopped a few hours ago.
I just got, and that's probably a drip on the garage.
It is.
Can't really see me. But anyway. Let's see if I can stand back and stand in a light. If that works. Okay. Stand in the light. But anyway. Yeah, we're actually getting ready to go. Walter's loading up the car. And I'm just standing here. I'm gonna bring my UGG jacket. Cause it gets hot.
I'm underdressed.
Yeah, you are underdressed.
I gotta change my clothes.
Huh?
This ain't where I gotta change my clothes.
It might work for while you're on the road. You want to be comfortable on the road. Just bring some extra pants.
Yeah, I do that.
Cause you know I can't be wearing no goddamn jeans and you drive. I can't be on no long road trip in freaking jeans. Pussy be on 20 by the time I get to where I'm going. My kids know me. And then I'm gonna be coughing and pissing. That's gonna piss me off. Coughing and freaking pissing is gonna piss me off. This is not a prepared trip, and I'm feeling like I'm not prepared. However, I am prepared because I did take out enough funds. Even if Rotoroo to come and do their job, I'll be gone by Monday. I should leave out by Monday, and then just come back. You think we'll leave by Monday?
Probably.
And then just come back, because we got to come back for the funeral.
We are. Probably
Yeah.
Sunday, Monday, come back. Depending when they have, I don't know when they want to feel.
We're going to decide that.
Yeah.
Me and my siblings going to decide
Yeah,
that.
because technically, you know, if you have it on Saturday, you know, they don't bury it till Monday.
Then I had to come back. Well, if they bury him on Monday, I would just have to wait on the weekend to go see where her body is. I can't go to the burial.
You might be able to, like I said, it all depends on how they do it. I don't know. I don't know, do they want to have anything on Friday? Anything on Saturday? There's so many different burials. So many burials.
Well, we finna go talk about it. That's why I'm on my way to St. Louis to go talk about it. I don't know, y'all. I will catch you guys in a little bit once we probably once we on the road either on the road, which is probably on the road when it gets a little bit morning, like the lights actually come out, and I have to go stop and get something to eat for breakfast, because if I don't, I need to go get me a glucometer machine, because you guys, you know, I'm checking and making sure that I don't have diabetes, because diabetes run in my family. Also, COVID patients have been known to go into diabetic state after contracting or being exposed to COVID for a long period of time, and I've had COVID for a long period of time. I've had it dose times. Oh, so yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. We're at the castle. It's just a vloggable moment. I'm not trying to record her, not in a literal sense.
Oh, we got ketchup?
Yes. Just snatch a whole handful, baby doll. There you go. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sweetness.
Have a good day.
Ooh, White Castles. I'm so excited. Hey guys, welcome back. I am on my way to Farmington, Missouri. Sorry about that, y'all. I had an incoming call. I'm telling you guys, I'm on my way to Farmington, Missouri to go see my brother. Say hi, Walter.
Hello.
I want to go see my brother. Yes, I have this big old bonnet on. I like these ones. The blue one, I don't know. I'm feeling kind of weird with the blue one. I like my little orange fall one. You like that one I normally wear?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? Who's this at?
You.
But anyway, so we're on our way. We did go get some White Castles. I guess they gonna eat those White Castles.
I know your sister ate one.
That's fine.
No, I told we had White Castle in there. Your dad said White Castle made him sick. He said chicken make him sick. I said, what the hell you gonna eat then? I said,
He's making excuses.
Yeah. I told him. I said, keep on. You get back to VA hospital. No, I won't. I'm going back to Barnes and Noble. That's what he said.
No, he don't want to go back to the VA.
I said, hell no. He said he treated him rough.
Yeah, they treated him rough, and he almost got arrested.
And he said the food was terrible. He said the food half cooked, done, nasty.
Yeah, and he almost got arrested.
They were
for foolishness.
According to him, they were abusing. Oh, he said.
Oh, he felt like he's being abused.
He said he was abused. He said shit. He said he was abused. He was. What he said? He said they were throwing him around, pushing him around and stuff, hurting him.
They probably was. And they probably was.
Yeah.
People in the medical field do that shit. They probably was.
Yeah. He probably was. Now, he hit the right person, I don't know. He might hit the wrong person. You know.
That pink spot right there. Okay. But anyway.